Sunday, cleaning time. Linis tayo ng car. Blue. Si Blue is already clean. Now we can go with the black one. It's only easy. Just put water and then put some soap and ties. Cleaning first is put some water, then put some soap, and that's it. I'm not the perfect cleaning car. Just remove all the dirt and because it's very dirty. Yeah. So we have our you know what is this? He can reach till up. That's easy. You don't need a chair to reach the roof, because this is the only one. Yeah. See, it's easy. Every Sunday, cleaning car, and then it's fresh in Monday. Clean, 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 clean. Then you know what is my job. Cleaning car. Very easy naman to clean the car. That you have the material to clean. Ayan. After that, of course, you remove the soap. We need to first to clean the roof, and then it's down. After the roof, punta naman tayo sa lahat ng salamin, because this part is going down. Thank you for watching. Blessed Sunday. Bye bye.